If the Emancipation Proclamation was passed in 1863, why weren't you free until 1865?
Well, it took 2 years for the Civil War to end.
Oh, so you were free when the war ended?
Nah, not for 2 more months because Texas landowners wanted another harvest.
That's not cool.
Well, none of it was cool. But an army ship arrived on June 19, 1865 and announced we were free. That's why we celebrate Juneteenth.
I am a slave and the home of the brave, a product of the triangular trade. Please pardon my ways if I'm nervous or the slightest bit skittish. In the presence of the Portuguese, Spanish, Dutch, or British, they kept me in colonial chains. Tell me how to persuade them to chill or to save me if still I'm a slave.
That was not uncomfortable at all.
Good evening, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Almaz Khan from class 6C. My roll number is 1 and my topic is International Day for the Remembrance of Slave Trade. Introduction. International Day for the Remembrance of Slave Trade and its abolition, August 23rd of every year. The day is designated by UNESCO to memorialize the translated slave trade day. UNESCO members invites and organize the event every year to young people, educators, artists, and intellectuals. The day attends inscribe the tragedy of memory and people's history. It was first observed in 2008 with the theme Breaking the Silence. Lest we forget, the theme in 2015 was woman slavery. The International Day aims at the rising up to racism and projection. About 400 years ago, 15 million men, women, and children were victims. In the memory of these people, we celebrate Slave Trade Day in Saint Domingo in 1791. Revolted in celebrated. Thank you.
My name is Angel Koilraj Nadar from Standard 6C. Roll number 3 is going to talk about consequences. Unknown million deaths in Africa before they even made it up to ship. It has been estimated that perhaps on 5th, slaves were death middle passage across the Atlantic. In Americas, the death rate among the slaves were also very high. Some historians suggest that death rate in the seasoning campus was up to 50%. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nishan Hussain Lektrikwala. I am from Standard 6C. Today I will speak on codes. Disobedience is the true fortune of liberty. The opinion must be slaves. Today has always man fall into the two groups, slaves and free men. Whoever does not have 2 or 3 of his day for himself is a slave. Whatever he may be, a statesman, a businessman, an official, or a scholar. A society without domestic is a society of slaves and fools. If all men are born free, how it is that all women are born enslaved? Technical people do not make good slaves. Without their whole heart, corporations things fall apart. Fear is the person of slaves. Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers and all my dear friends.
My name is Anjali Anirudhukumar from Standard 6C, roll number 4, going to tell you Remember the Slave. A short poem. So let's get started. Mother, when you round your child, you clasp your arm in love, and when with joy you raise your eyes to God above, think of the Negro mother when her child torn away, sold for the little slave. Oh, then for the poor mother pray. Father, whenever your happy boys, you look upon pride and pray to see them when you're old, all blooming by your side. Thank you.
My name is Angel Koilraj Nadar from Standard 6C. Roll number 3 is going to talk about abolition. The abolition of slaveries occurs at different time in different country. The Slavery Acts 1833 was to abolish the slavery in British Empire. Ownership of slaves was illegal in British Empire. Thank you.
Everybody, my name is Bhumika Sudarshan Manthan. I am from class 6th C. So my today's topic is International Day Conclusion. Despite the abolition of slavery in the 19th century, the practice is prevalent in the contemporary world. It is estimated that more people are enslaved today than during the few centuries of transatlantic slave trade. Modern slavery poses a serious challenge to human rights protection worldwide, and many governments as well as international and preventing and combating it. These curves explore the historical origins and forms of slavery from ancient times to the 21st century. It also looked at the legal instruments regulating the prohibition of slavery, International Human Rights Treaties ILO conventions, as well as regional human rights instruments. Thank you.